Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to share a super easy way to grab a free $100 Uber promo code. This method is quick and straightforward, and you'll have your promo code in just a few minutes, so stick around to see how it's done. First, head over to escapon.co/Uber, or scan the QR code displayed on the video with your smartphone camera to access the site. Once you're on the page, the first thing you need to do is enter your email address. This is crucial because your $100 promo code will be sent directly to your inbox, so make sure you type it in correctly. I'll go ahead and enter my email now so you can follow along. Next, you'll need to choose whether you're using an Apple or Android device. It's important to pick the correct option since the process might vary slightly depending on your device. Now, the site will begin generating your promo code. Don't worry, this only takes a few moments. It's honestly one of the fastest ways to get $100 off your next Uber ride. Your promo code is almost ready, but there's one final step. To confirm that you're a real person and not a bot, the site will ask you to verify your identity by downloading 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These apps are always free, so there's no cost involved. You can pick any 2 apps that are available, no need to choose the same ones I'm downloading. If an app doesn't download properly, just select a third app as a backup. I'm currently downloading my second app, and once both apps are installed, you'll need to open and use each one for about a minute. Some apps might ask you to complete a quick survey or sign up. So if that happens, just follow the instructions to ensure the verification process goes smoothly. Once you've used the apps for the required time, head back to your email and refresh the page. Your $100 Uber promo code should be sitting in your inbox, ready to use. It's really that simple. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm always sharing tips and tricks like this, so stay tuned for more awesome content.